cousin, you know what I'm talking about? FTF. You feel me? Effing up. You feel me? Boy, Wiz. Hanging and banging. You know what I'm talking about?
Vibe, man.
Y'all know the vibe, man.
Y'all just gonna watch the action, man. We're gonna let the cameras do the talking.
You did?
Yes, sir. I already know how we coming.
Wiz, man. That boy, that nigga part of the bit. Poor ass nigga,
Real
man.
soon. Don't worry about it.
You see cousin, man. Stupid eyes, man. You see this shit, man. Come on, man.
Shoulda went to AJ, nigga.
Come on,
Tap
man.
in. Shoulda went to AJ.
Y'all boys sleep on that shit, man.
I'm telling you, silent assassin.
Look at that shit, man.
Rest in peace, my nigga Richie, man.
Nigga the boss. I never done a nigga G's in me, boy.
Hey, boy, that nigga disrespectful, ain't it?
That nigga, fuck you, nigga. What say that nigga? I like that shit, though.
I did too. It was meant.
I like
We
the
did.
whole overall situation, you feel me? But like I said, I'm one of them niggas, if you try to take my life once upon a time, it's fuck you forever. I don't give a fuck.
I'm a Haitian Jew, Orlando, Florida. So stuff up today. Shit, you know, I've been rapping about 3 years. Been doing my thing. You know, been just trying, just grinding. I got 2 mixtapes out, Trap Melodies, Haitian Jew to Go. Find that on all platforms, Haitian Jew to Go, Trap Melodies. I got a new project about to drop called Billboard Music. I should look out for that. Other than that, yeah, you know, you can find me on IG, Haitian Jew 1, HAITIAN, Jew 1. You know, you can Twitter, same thing on Twitter, YouTube, FNFBNT. But yeah.
Shit, my dog got him going up with that.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you that Woo story, man. Woo story right now.
Best nigga in the world, man. Dirty Salt shouted.
LTF yoke, man. You already know I be doing that last blood. That blood right there, that blood behind that. You feel me? Your mom gonna get your whole family gonna get your issue behind that one. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, we in Tampa with it right now, man. We just vibing cool. Trying to get into some. Waiting for these bitches to come out the store. Shout out to my boy Tyla, y'all right? My boy over there racing cars, them boys doing donuts and shit in the road over here in Tampa, man. Hey, listen. Every time we pull it up. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Fuck you. You know. Listen, and then when I say fuck you, them hoes, you know what I'm talking about? Them hoes like that shit. I don't know why y'all hoes do that. When I say fuck you, old pussy ass hoe. After that Haitian Jew, man, channel 33, man, we lost there, man. Soundball with it, you know what I'm talking about? Y'all, we doing, man. You see how we vibing, man. Got shit everywhere, man. Tied the city up, man. It's about the city, man. It's about shit. You know what the fuck going on. That's all you got with it?
Yeah, that's all I got. Yeah, I'm parking.
Channel 33 when we here, man.
You already know.
Got my nigga Yoke in this bitch, man. Get my little cousin.
What up, man? Check in, man. Finna check out the little vibe, man. Check the vibes out.
That's it.
Yeah, I got them for sale, man. You gotta come out to LA. After the New Year. I like it. I
They got some ashes on it, man. I got some ashes on my off-whites on some motherfucking, man.
I already know,
man, listen, channel 33 in this bitch, man. D-Land to the whole place.
Yes, sir. Tell them, man.
Nigga Tyla in this bitch, backpack in this bitch, Flint, Michigan in this bitch.
Like kamikaze and shit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Solo for like inspires for like super.
This shit work. This shit work.
Haitian Jew.
Alright, my nigga. Be safe.
You out, fam?
Yes, sir. Ski. Big boy, huh?